Guys, welcome back to the Minute Hustle. Happy New Year. I'm sorry it's belated, and guys, most of all, I am so sorry that I did not upload anything. I have just been so busy. My life is hectic, guys. It's not easy when you have a music career on top of family and trying to do everything else. So I do apologize. But listen, 2020, I am bringing you guys some great new content, okay? So don't feel like I've just disappeared. I am back, oh. I'm back and I'm coming hard, oh. That's a squeaky chair. I'm actually sitting on a chair. I'm doing this with my gimbal on my phone. As you can see, look, check this. Woo! I thought I'd try something different. I wanted to be up close and real with you, yeah? I haven't done a minute gossip video in a very long time, so I thought that I would try a minute gossip video, have a quick gossip with you guys. This is basically a video about my new... Okay, I'll stop now. This is basically a video about my new vlog channel. I've just started it, guys. There's a lot of you guys that were asking me to do one. You can check out my journey. You can see how I live. You can see how I'm about in my real life. So if you want to check that out, I'll bust it in the link in the description below. Make sure you click it and subscribe to it, guys, because it'd be great to see you guys over there on that channel as well, supporting me. I love all the comments and stuff that I get from you guys. It's awesome. Thank you very much. But yeah, I'm going to be bringing you some new content, so don't feel like I've disappeared on this channel. This channel is still running and it's still going to be going hard. This year, 2020, I've got so many ideas to do, and I'm looking to do a live thing as well, where I'm basically out live with people and we're going to see how they live and how they hustle and how they make money. So don't forget this, okay, because it's coming, and I'm calling it Minute Hustle's Reality Hustle. So there is stuff coming, guys. Be prepared for it. I know I started this Think Like a Millionaire. I'm going to bring you some more episodes on that as well this week for sure, and then following on week after week after week after week after week, to the point where you get absolutely bored of me and you're just like, oh, this guy uploads too much, man. Okay, but yeah, please guys, make sure if you like this, drop a little like down below and click the subscribe button, and make sure you tick that notifications bell too, so you don't miss, let me hear it, no